Today I will show how to activate Stars Nards PSR in YouTube videos. First of all, you need to click on your YouTube icon, then click on settings and then general, and primarily the enable start for Nards is off. You need to click on it and activate your Stars for Nards. Then go to any videos on YouTube and click on settings menu, click on additional settings, and you can see that at the bottom Stars for Nards. Click on it and your Stars Nards is active. Thanks for watching the videos.